tapping tip. This is number 2, but it's really number 1. So this is Tapping Tip Tuesday, and in 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how to improve and excel your tapping experience, and also today kind of just a general balancing tip. You have a point right here that's called the Sea of Tranquility. That sounds pretty cool, right? The way you find it, you go right underneath your armpit, come straight across to the center of your chest. You'll find there's a little indentation in there. Feel around in there. It kind of caves in. So it caves out and then caves in. Right where it caves in, you're going to take your hand, and right here there's another accelerating acupressure point that releases endorphins. So you're going to create it, put it right in there, and you're going to create a vibration. And that vibration activates a whole bunch of other stuff going on in here too. So you, side of the hand. So now this replaces side of the hand point. Usually side of the hand is like this mild little thing. I'm having you go all in. Get some vibration going right here. Using the side of the hand, you're also accessing several different acupressure endpoints through the ends of the fingertips. They're right in the nail beds. Powerful points. Let's not pass it up. Let's get some power to your tapping right in here. Sea of Tranquility matched with endorphin releasing points, matched with endpoints of more acupressure meridians to access and get some flow going. So even though, this is where you do your even though setup statement right here. Even though there's been all this stuff in the news, I'm so confused, tangled, upset, overwhelmed. I want to have a little peace in my life. I want to find my own inner peace. And you can see how I'm vibrating. You can see the vibration that's going on there. And then just continue with your regular tapping as you do here. Sea of Tranquility point matched with here, all right? Now, matched with here, side of the hand point, setup statement, all right? Got that. Now, I'm going to let you even power it even more. You're going to get even more endorphin releasing if you press that point against vibration. Now, instead of just the fingertips, take the inside point and bang it against the side of the hand. Whew, deep breath in. All this stuff going on. It's so crazy. I feel like I'm out of control. I want my control. I want my own balance. I want my own sanity. There you go. Enjoy that vibration because it feels really good. It feels empowering. It feels as though you're taking charge, and you are. Let your body help you. Right now, our bodies are super stressed out. Our bodies are on high alert. Let your body help you create that balance for yourself today. Let me know if you got any more tips. I did acupressure for 10 years, and this was one of the points that I taught my clients a lot. And I still teach my private coaching clients how to accelerate their tapping with that and use it as a general balancing point. So even if you don't get all the way around tapping all the points, just do this one. It'll help. Let me know if you got any more questions.